Okay, today we're going to see what does this hose do. As you guys can see, it's old and it's there connected to the tank. I already put a new hose in the tank, so we're gonna follow through to see where it goes, and then we're gonna replace it. We're already gonna screw all the screws out of the door, this door here. So we're gonna get this panel out and we're gonna find out what is the function of that hose. Okay, now that we pulled out the panel, we see that the hose is connected underneath there. So it means that that hose has a function of, as soon as the tank is full, let the water go out. So we're gonna get the panel out of the way. You're gonna get a screw, and we're gonna unattach the hose and put the new one there, and we're gonna have it ready to be connected on the tank, which is this one, the new one. So everything is gonna be nice and clean with the new tank. We already unplugged the hose and we squeeze the hose inside here. So we're gonna replace that one and connect that one, which is our next test. Here is the old hose, which is disgusting, completely out of the way. And here's the new hose that is gonna make that water system drain beautiful. So let me put it in and I'll continue reporting. New hose in place. So we're gonna tighten it down here, we're gonna connect it, and we're gonna have a water test. Oh yeah. Hose connected. So it's time to put some water on that tank and secure it so they won't be wobbling around when we move the RV, and then continue with the rest of the work that needs to be done. We install everything as it was, and we put some water in the tank, and for whatever the reason, there's no release of air, so the pump is struggling to pull water out, and there's no air coming into the tank for circulation. So I will wait to bring this to Jeff's attention, because I really don't know what's going on. Honestly, I put everything as it should be, and it's not doing what it's supposed to be. So we're gonna move into finishing up another test. That will save us time and get us ready for more. So we're gonna make sure we do that part, which is the parking sensors. So it's done, and we can move on to the next task. Alright, since we need Jeff to give us some guidance on the electrical connections that go behind here, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move into putting these there. So we need to detach that toilet so we can put the new seal. So we're gonna get to work on that right now, just to be getting things done ahead of time, so when they're here I can get the necessary guidance to reinstall this and have it ready for usage. Right, so let me get to work.